Today, we're going to learn about something called the least common multiple, or LCM for short. Have you ever tried to share something equally? Jetha's Gambo, get 9 sweets and share with your friend Burton Ngambi. Now you have finished sharing Jetha. Are the sweets divided evenly? Well, the LCM helps us solve problems like that. It's a way to find the smallest number that 2 or more other numbers can fit into perfectly. We're going to use it to solve all sorts of real-world problems, from planning parties to building things. Think of it as a super helpful tool for making things fair and even. Get ready to become LCM experts. Now listen very carefully. Imagine you're having a party and need to buy samosa and mandas. Samosa come in packs of 6 and mandas come in packs of 8. You want to buy the least amount of each so that you have the same number of samosa and mandas, no extras of either. The LCM is like finding the smallest number of samosa and mandas you need to buy so they match up perfectly. Let's think of it this way: asterisk samosa, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Asterisk mandas, 8, 16, 24, 32. What are the other numbers if the list for samosa goes on and on, precious Salembo? Well done! If you buy samosa in packs, 1 pack will be 6, 2 packs will be 12, 3 packs will be 18, 4 packs will be 24, 5 packs will be 30, 6 packs will be 36, 7 packs will be 42, 8 packs will be 48. If you buy mandas in packs, 1 pack will have 8, 2 packs will have 16, 3 packs will have 24, and 4 packs will have 32, 5 packs will have 40, 6 packs will have 48. How do you get these numbers, Daniel Salembu? Very good. You add 6 to 6 to get 12, then keep adding 6 to get the next numbers. Similarly, you add 8 to 8 to get 16 and continue adding 8 to get each additional number. You multiply the given number 6 or 8 by 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. to get the respective multiples. The first matching number that shows up on both lists is 24. So 24 is the LCM of 6 and 8. You need to buy enough samosa packs and mandas packs so you have 24 of each. So the LCM is just the smallest number that 2 numbers can both make when you count by them. It helps you find the smallest matching number. Now, let's review the concept of the least common multiple. The LCM is the smallest number that is a multiple of both numbers. This is what you find when you list the multiples of each number until a common multiple is found. Now I am going to write an example on chalkboard. Watch and read them. You will copy them after our discussion. 2 methods can be used to find LCM of numbers. The first method we are going to use to find LCM is listing multiples. Example 1. Find the LCM of 3 and 4. Asterisk to list multiples of 3 we get 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Asterisk to list multiples of 4 we get 4, 8, 12, 16. Asterisk the LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. Which number appears first on both lines, Eunice Gambo? Well done! It's 12, and that is the reason it's the LCM of 3 and 4. Other numbers like 24, 36 can also appear on both lists, but you do not choose them as the least common multiple. They are not the first matching numbers. Now, let's work out the next example using second method of asterisk prime factorization asterisk example 2. Find the LCM of 8 and 12. Asterisk 8 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 12 is equal to 2 times 2 times 3 asterisk LCM equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 is equal to 24. You get the LCM of 8 and 12 by prime factorization of each number and then multiply the highest power of each prime factor. Why do you pick 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 to find LCM of 8 and 12, Malene? Good. The first line has 3 2's as the highest power of prime factor, while the second line has 2 2's and 1 3. You pick out 3 from second line because 2 times 2 have already been picked from first line. Now let's solve the last example. Asterisk example 3. Find LCM of 3 and 6 times 3 is equal to 1 times 3 times 6 is equal to 2 times 3 asterisk LCM equals 2 times 3. Why you do not combine 1 times 3 from first line with 2 times 3 from second line to make 1 times 3 times 2 times 3 or 2 times 3 times 3, Micah? Excellent. To find the LCM, We take the highest power of each prime factor that appears in either factorization. The prime factors involved are 2 and 3. The highest power of 2 that appears is 1, 2, and the highest power of 3 that appears is 1, 3. Therefore, the LCM is 2 times 3 is equal to 6. We don't use 1 times 3 times 2 because multiplying by 1 doesn't change the value, and we only need each prime factor to the highest power it appears in any of the numbers, not to repeat factors unnecessarily as in 2 times 3 times 3. Now you are going to practice problems. As you are working, I will be moving around checking. These are the problems find LCM of asterisk 4 and 2 by 8 and 4 by 16 and 24. Let's review key concepts. What are the main steps involved in finding the LCM Firester? Well done! Steps involved are listing multiples in both lines and choosing the first matching multiple as the LCM. Steps involved to find LCM by prime factorization are writing prime factors of each number, choosing highest power of prime factors from each line, and multiplying the selected prime factors to get the LCM. Now I am going to put a chart containing few problems on wall at the back as homework to assess your understanding. The problems are 1. Find the LCM of 3 and 6, 2. Maria wants to make friendship bracelets. She has blue beads that come in packs of 12 and red beads that come in packs of 10. She wants to make sure she has the same number of blue and red beads so she can use them equally in her bracelets. What is the least number of blue and red beads she needs to buy so that she has the same amount of each color? If you have any question, ask me now. Our next lesson is addition of simple fractions.